We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa D.I.Ys and on our simple, slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi. Sicilian spring has come pretty late this year. But we know that when summer arrives, it's going to be extremely hot. So we are taking our time to enjoy the slow transition. Massi's just bought these lovely sunglasses.
Donald Duck.
Twins!
Say Donald Duck glasses.
Donald Duck. Look at this beautiful place. So stunning. Hungry, Massi?
Hungry and I feel lost.
You feel lost? Look, you're in paradise,
I see
Massi.
there's a lighthouse now here.
Yeah. Okay, let's turn around and grab something to eat and go visit the lighthouse.
C'è la luna in mezzo mare, mamma mia, mamma di dare. Figli mie, cutte dare, mamma mia, pensaci tu. Se tu togli la pesciaiola, e tu vai, e tu vieni, sempre lo pesce, ma lo tieni. Se ci picchi la fantasia, mi pisciuglia la figlia mia. La, piscia fritta, baccalà. Uè, compagno, che la maneca giacca.
Right, we've just picked up some lunch, some drinks. Everything's closed. Bars, restaurants, everything is closed. So we just picked up some good panini and we're going to go sit on the beach and eat them. This is a little pit stop for lunch. Look at the view. I love pane. Punto pane.
People love pane.
What have you got, Mass?
Ricotta cheese and spinach.
Very nice. I'm eating cauliflower and sun-dried tomato one. Nice.
Yummy.
This is very clever. So when the fishermen arrive with their fish, they've got these places where they can just straight away wash them. Everyone's got a little sink, and then the products are put onto these tables, and people come and buy the fresh fish. Yeah, Massi says it's probably in the morning as soon as the fishermen arrive. It is boiling. I'm going to take off my jacket. So hot.
Se davvero mi vuoi bene, senti la voce mia, sentimi un po'. Questo è il mio tempo e solo Dio sa quanto ho aspettato. Notti d'estate, giorni
di un Luna Park. Dammi la mano, scambiamo.
We're gonna stop off for a nice little coffee.
Che servizio, wow!
Grazie.
Perfetto.
Wow.
Grazie signorina. Come ti chiami? Come ti chiami?
Grazie,
Grazie.
Irene.
Io Massimo e lei Maria.
Ciao.
Piacere.
Scoglitti is a charming, authentic fishing village on the southern coast of Sicily in the province of Ragusa. It has a very laid-back atmosphere, especially off-season, and has wide and long stretches of golden sandy beaches. A bustling fishing port with excellent seafood restaurants. It also features a scenic lungomare promenade with shallow waters with nearby archaeological sites like Camirina. Their beaches are really big and very long compared to ours in Siracusa.
Goes on forever.
Goes on forever and ever. This area is dotted with vast modern greenhouses, is well known renowned as a major agricultural hub, boasting Italy's largest fruit and vegetable wholesale markets and Europe's most significant greenhouse production centers. We've decided to stop here in this beautiful, beautiful countryside just outside Ragusa. This is like my favorite place, honestly. It's really clean. Massi's going to take a drone flight here and we're just going to show you how beautiful the countryside is. And what I like about this area are all the beautiful Sicilian stone walls, and hopefully we can capture that in the drone. And just like that, the rain and the storm and the wind came back. Nice. Thanks, Matt.
Faccio quando si asciuga tutto, cioè sta per asciugarsi, io ci passo su tutto sopra il bianco.
Ora
Così non ci
fermati un
posso-
attimino, vedi qua, ci sono dei fiori, un colore.
Metto anche un po' di giallo vita, gli faccio un guardo più chiaro.
Ho detto ci siamo.
Ah!
Oh.
Good, you? Fun.
fantastic. Oh, this one.
And our friend Gorel from Norway came back for another 3 months, so she came over to visit. Karen popped over for a cup of tea, and we had a little chat and caught up on the last 3 months that we hadn't seen her, and it was great to see her again. After that, Gorel and I went out for a bite to eat, and we carried on having more chats and more deep conversations, which was absolutely fantastic. Okay, busy day today. We've got the metal scrap guy. I don't know how it works in your country. We can physically take the metal to the recycling center, but because you can earn a bit of money, you get these guys that will come with their trucks and they'll pick up anything. So Massi heard him and prepared a whole bunch of metal scrap, and now he's busy taking all the stuff. The gardener next door at my sister's house, because they arrive on Monday, so it's all busy today. Massi's just finishing off some little jobs in around the house, and I'm preparing lunch and dinner because I've got to go to work and I'll be home after 8. And there goes the old lawnmower too. There it goes, goodbye. There goes the scrap guy. Metal scrap guy. Finally, the days are getting so much better. Look, because of the rain, everything is super green, which is amazing. Don't think it's going to stay like that all through the summer. And while our robotic lawnmower was doing its magic, the gardener from next door was absolutely obsessed. He had to come over and have a look at our new little toy, well actually Massi's toy, and he was very impressed.
Entri nella stanza sono tutti stesi, i loro cuori ti hanno visto e si sono arresi. Ti guardo nello specchio e penso, ma come fai?
Buongiorno! A glorious day it is today. Fantastic. So, new day, new project. Yay! Here are our plants. We're going to take that with us and we're going to get some more wood. We are going to make little, what would you call them? Borders or trims.
The trimmings around the door.
Yeah, trimmings around the door, which I think will make it look so much better.
This morning, Maria wakes up before me with a great idea in her head. She said we need to finish off these doors that we started doing. Well, I finished the project, but I didn't do the fine trimming. So this is what I'm doing now. Okay, I'm putting these trimmings on, as I said, and it gives it that
shaker look.
Yeah, I don't know, there's a name for it, but it's an older look. I'll just simply say that it's an older look.
Yeah, the shaker kitchens are...
Shaker kitchens.
Yeah.
Okay, Maria says shaker kitchens. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm putting this wooden trimming around the actual existing door. So it's just basically dismantle the door, put it on the table, and put it trimming around it, cutting it 45 degrees as you go around.
Now we have to find the paint, and we did this 7 years ago.
Otherwise we'll just have to buy some more.
Yeah.
It's not a problem. The paint we'll find.
Okay, progress so far. I like the look of it. It does give it a nice look. Of course, we still got to adjust all the cupboards together, make sure they're all aligned perfectly. We have to paint and then put the handles back on. So it's going to take a couple of days, I reckon, to complete the whole kitchen. Okay, so at the moment Massi is just patching up some spaces. I've tried a coat of the paint that we had, which is really similar to the actual kitchen, so I don't think we need to go buy any paint. I'm gonna let that all dry and go over it again. Massi's completing the second to last cupboard door, and then hopefully we'll finish by the end of the week.
Sul web dalla galassia nattica, previsto per domenica in via Leponia, proprio a ridosso del Parco degli Acquedotti, dove giovedì notte sono morti due anarchici, Alessandro Mercogliano e Sara Ardizzo.
So we've taken a little bit of a break from our DIY kitchen cabinets. They're just drying. We've painted them this morning, and Massi wants to go see a little vintage shop in Avola. Actually, there are a couple. So the only thing is the first one is closed. So I asked somebody and they said there's another one not far off. So we're going to go see where that one is now. Unfortunately, both of those vintage shops were closed, but we were in the center of Avola and we thought, why not? Let's go for a little look around and show you how beautiful the center is. We have never really filmed inside the city of Avola, but always by the seaside. And we found that in the piazza there was a big gathering of a lot of children, and there was an elderly man that was speaking on the microphone and singing. And we realized that actually that day it was the Memorial Day of Mafia victims, and he was talking about the two important magistrates that were killed, Falcone and Borsellino. And he was explaining how the mafia is dangerous, obviously, and how we tend to forget about these things. And I think it's important for young people to remember that, you know, in the 80s and the 90s and even beforehand, Sicily was taken over by the mafia.
Strana, erano una cosa, relauto burno, fu buscetta che sbarracao lo portecato, e svelaure cosa nostra la facciata, a cupola era tutta organizzata, le famiglie a territorio convenuta, da cupola i cose più importanti, stragi, ammazzatini e contangenti. Da cupola le cose più importanti, stragi, ammazzatini e contangenti.
And another little project has been completed, tiny little adjustments, and it looks completely different. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. We'll see you next week with a brand new one. Ciao!